Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Sometimes it's important for investors to look beyond the headlines and what's hot on the stock market. The best opportunities are almost never in headlines. And if they are, it's likely investors are already too late to the party. Now, that's easier said than done. When looking for contrarian opportunities, investors should ask if the company in question is doing something that could change its current trajectory. Not everything that's down is good. Take Western Union Company, for example. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol WU. If you start to discuss Western Union with someone, chances are you'll get laughed at. Why? Because the company is considered old school. With cryptocurrencies gaining popularity and attracting capital inflows, many question the survival of Western Union. But I think before income investors dismiss it, know that there's still value here. WU stock is trading as if company is facing massive problems and isn't profitable. Shares have dropped close to 30% over the past year and are down more than 20% year to date. The reality, however, is very different. John, what can you tell us about Western Union before we go into any details?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Western Union Company offers money movement and payment services around the world. The company operates through two business segments, consumer money transfer and consumer services. Now, through the consumer money transfer segment, it provides international cross-border and intra-country money transfer services through a network of retail agent locations, websites, and mobile devices. To the consumer services segment, it offers bill payments, money orders, retail, foreign exchange, prepaid cards, digital wallet, media network.
Is Western Union really on the verge of collapse or something along those lines?
Well, here's the thing. W stock has been caught in a debate about what cryptocurrencies will do to the money transfer and financial services sectors. Investors are asking if Western Union will survive, and that's a fair question. However, Western Union continues to make money. Cryptocurrencies are still in their infancy. There's no telling which one will ultimately dominate. And just so you know, as of September 2025, more than 37 million unique cryptocurrencies have been created. Yeah, that's right, million. And the crypto world is on track to reach 100 million cryptocurrencies by the end of the year. Now, Western Union still has a strong business and a global reach. For 2025, it's on track to post revenues of over $4 billion and $4.12 billion in 2026. And that's according to Wall Street analysts. Now, as for profitability, Western Union is projected to report earnings per share, or EPS, of $1.71 in 2025, with that to rise to $1.77 in 2026. Now, this alone should tell you that the selling on WU stock may have gone a little too far.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. John, what else is going on at Western Union?
Western Union isn't a company sitting back and waiting to see what's happening. It's fighting back. It's being proactive. On August 10th, 2025, the company announced a definitive agreement to acquire International Money Express Inc. They're traded on the NASDAQ and will be, for a little while at least, under the symbol IMXI. An all-cash transaction valued $16 per share for a total equity and enterprise value of approximately $500 million. The acquisition could give Western Union a bigger edge in the U.S. market and improve its overall financial position.
Let's talk a little bit about dividends. How are income investors treated here?
Investors holding WU stock are still being rewarded. Can't be stressed enough. WU stock is not a lost cause. At the current price, the stock has a dividend yield of 11.19%, paying 94 cents annually or 0.235 cents per share on a quarterly basis. Now, are these dividends safe? Assuming the company's earnings come in as expected by Wall Street analysts, the dividend is easily covered. In fact, Western Union could even increase it slightly and still have it covered.
John, thank you so much for your insights. WU stock is currently being ignored by investors, but there is a great opportunity here for income investors. There is robust dividend and potential for significant upside. Wall Street analysts have 1-year price target for WU stock of $9.32, with some high targets at around $17. On top of that, WU stock is heavily owned by institutional investors. According to the most recent data, over 95% of all outstanding shares are owned by institutions. Vanguard Group, BlackRock, and State Street Corporation are three of the biggest holders, collectively owning more than 80 million shares. The bottom line, Western Union may not be a headline grabber, but its fundamental and dividend make a compelling opportunity for income investors. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.